Today's in this class we are going to solve the exercise part of the lesson chapter 1, the magic tree. Evaluate part, reading. A part, filling the blanks with the right words from the story. We have to fill the blanks from the story. So first one, in the park there was a dash with a dash on it. There was a tree, T-R-E-E, tree, with a, what was on the tree? There was sign, S-I-G-N, sign on it. Second one, the boy tried to guess the dash words. Boy ಏನು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಎಸ್, ದ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, M-A-G-I-C, magic words. Third one, he said some words and a big door opened in the dash. So where it does open? Okay, in the part of that tree that was trunk. ಯಾವ part ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದು? Trunk, T-R-U-N-K, trunk. Fourth one, at the end of the path were lots of, what he got in the path of that tree? That is toys. ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವನಿಗಲ್ಲಿ? ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಡೋರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್, T-O-Y-S, toys. Fifth one, dash and dash are the magic words. So which are the magic words? ಯಾವಾಗ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದು? Yes, when the boy told please and thank you. Please and thank you are the magic words, right? Okay, move on to the B part. Pick the right option. First one, the door opened when the boy said, ಯಾವಾಗ ಡೋರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, abracadabra or please. When he said please, please ಅಂತ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ that door ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The boy could see the path after he said, ಆ ಪಾತ್ ಕಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನವನು? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ತಂತರಾರ? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ ಅಥವಾ ತಂತರಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ? ಎಸ್, he said thank you. He said thank you. Yes, move on to the language in use, the concept about describing words. ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನೌನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ that is describing words. Here you can see boy. How was that boy? Little boy. How was that door? Big door. So little and big are the describing words. Okay, like that here choose the right describing words for these faces. Okay, so here are some words: old, happy, sad, joyful, angry. So one by one we have to identify the expressions and we move on to the describing. So what is that girl is describing? Sad, S-A-D, sad. Okay, yes. Next, the boy is in which mood? Joyful. The boy is in joyful mode. And the girl, little girl is in, yes, watch that expression, angry. Okay, angry. Next, the old lady, old. the next last one, the girl is licking lollipop and she, in her face you can see she is happy mood. She is in happy mood. B part, circle the right describing words. Here they have given some pictures, children. We have to circle which describing word is perfect for that picture. First one, Sonal has a shiny or warm ring. How is that ring? Ring hegide? Shiny idena, warm idena? Yes, the ring is shiny. Second, the ice cream was very tall or cold. How was that ice cream actually? Yes, tall irutta, cold irutta? Yes, it is cold ice cream. Third one, look at that pretty or sad butterfly. How is this butterfly? Is it look sad or pretty? Yes, it's a pretty or beautiful butterfly. The neat hungry mouse ate the cheese. Okay, so is it a hungry mouse or neat mouse? Yes, the hungry mouse ate the cheese. You can see in this picture the mouse is eating cheese. Right? Yes, fifth one. We saw an angry, a funny clown at the circus. So you can see this joker, right? He is angry or funny man? Yes, he is a funny in the circus. Move on to the words with the same meaning. Large means same, large tree, big tree. There are same meaning. Large andru dodda treene, big andru dodda treene. So here match the words with column A with words that have almost the same meaning in column B. Hege big and large same ide, hage here are some words which are same meaning. Okay, we have to match it. Cold means chill. Okay, little means small. Neat means clean. Hot means warm. Right means correct. Right means correct. Move on to here some words they have given. According to this we have to fill the blanks. Door, other, little, words. There are two little magic words that open any door with S, and one little word is thanks and the other word is please. Okay, there are two little magic words that open any door with S. One little word is thanks and the other word is please. Move on to the writing part, children. A capital letter is used to start a sentence. Capital letter in the sentence start agutte. A full stop is used at the end of sentence. Okay. For example, there is a magic tree in the garden. You can see T is a capital and at the end of the sentence there is a full stop. Right? So like that we have to solve this one. Rewrite these sentences. Begin each sentence with a capital letter, end it with a full stop. So in this you can see our. OE should be write down capital. Our house is near our school and full stop. My, M they have put small letters. So we have to write down here M should be capital. My father bought me a book. Full stop. Third one, the. So this is wrong. We have to write down here capital T. The story was exciting. The story was exciting. So full stop. You. Y should be capital. You are my best friend. Fifth one. This is a tasty cake. So we have to write down T. This is a tasty cake.